Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make small chocolate. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of cocoa mass, 50 grams of cocoa butter, and 25 grams of your preferred sweetener, such as powdered sugar or a sugar substitute. Also, prepare your chocolate molds, a double boiler, and a reliable thermometer. Selecting premium cocoa products is crucial for achieving a rich, delicious small chocolate. This ensures a smooth, professional finish and delightful taste in every bite. Now, let's melt and temper your chocolate. Place your cocoa mass and cocoa butter in a double boiler, heating them gently until the mixture reaches approximately 45 degrees Celsius. Remove it from the heat and stir continuously until the temperature drops to 27 degrees Celsius. Finally, reheat the chocolate to 31 degrees Celsius for dark chocolate or 29 degrees Celsius if you're making milk chocolate. This precise tempering ensures a beautiful glossy finish and a satisfying snap. With your chocolate perfectly tempered, it's time to mold. Carefully pour the warm, liquid chocolate into your prepared small molds, filling each cavity evenly. Once filled, gently tap the molds on your countertop a few times. This simple step helps to eliminate any tiny air bubbles, ensuring a smooth, flawless surface on your finished chocolates. Let them cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 30 minutes or in a cool, dry place until fully set. After your chocolates have completely set, it's time for the satisfying step of demolding. Gently invert your molds over a clean surface, and the chocolates should pop out easily. Try to handle them as little as possible to avoid fingerprints and melting. For optimal freshness, store your delicious small chocolates in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, ideally between 16 and 18 degrees Celsius. Enjoy your delightful homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.